Today I am showing you an electronics project in which you can create an attractive security system for your door or window. When you open the door or window, an alarm will sound similar to a dog's bark. This alarm system works with the help of a magnetic sensor module. There is a magnet here and there is a sensor here. When the magnet comes closer to the sensor keeps the circuit off. And when the magnet moves away from the circuit turns on and we hear the alarm sound. We can create this with very few components. Here you can see the circuit diagram and connection with practical parts. Then we will learn what we need to create it and where to connect the parts. Transistor BC558B is a PNP transistor. You need 3 resistors, 330 ohms, 10K and 1K. LED as an indicator. This is a dog barking sound generator chip. You can connect the speaker directly to it and it runs on a 3V DC. This is a magnetic switch and a permanent magnet. It comes together as a door open sensor. Small speaker. 2 AA size battery and battery holder. I am using a rechargeable battery. You can use a regular battery. Additionally, I am using a switch to on and off the whole circuit. You need a dotted Vero board or you can test this circuit on a breadboard. Now these parts have been soldered onto dotted Vero board and you can see the connections. Now let me connect the battery and test whether the circuit is working or not. Here you can see that magnetic sensor is working from a distance and the alarm starts when it moves away from the magnet. Now I am placing this circuit in a box. Here I am using 3D printed case, but you can use any plastic box. You can use this for a window or door. Now I will test this sensor and alarm device on a window. Here you can see that it is working very well. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected.